I wanted to make a quick video to highlight a great tip for Lifter LMS users, and that is how to use Incognito window or private browsing mode in your browser. So I'm currently working with Google Chrome, but Safari, Firefox, and other popular browsers have this feature. Typically it's up here in File, and in Google Chrome it's called Incognito window, where I'm logged in as an incognito window or private browsing mode, I believe is what it's called in Safari. The reason you might want to use this feature is because it can be sometimes confusing as to what your website's going to be like as a student, because I'm currently logged into WordPress as an administrator, so I can see everything and do everything I want to. But what does the website actually look like for a student? The easiest way to see that is to hop over to an incognito window and then copy the URL of your page and see what it would look like for someone who's not logged in. The incognito browser mode allows you to have one window where you're not logged in or logged in as someone else, and then your other window over here where I can be logged in as an admin and just making changes. So you can see this is the same page, the course page, and it looks completely different with me being an admin or me being a student and or a visitor. And that's because I have some dynamic content. So when you start doing things like on my page here, I have this syllabus and it's only visible to people who are enrolled in the course. So it's visible to me as an admin, but it can be confusing hopping back and forth. Like, I don't want my students to see the syllabus, so I want to make sure, or my visitors to see it, so I want to make sure that they can't. And hopping over to an incognito window is a great way to make sure they can't see it. And of course, Lifter LMS does have a view as student, view as visitor feature up here in the corner, but this doesn't work for all pages on your website. So if you wanted to view the home page as a visitor and make sure the user experience flow is working, using an incognito or private browsing mode is a great tool. I found myself using this all the time. I've used it multiple times today on client sites. I'm always opening an incognito window just to get a separate window I can see what the website experience is actually going to look like for a student, when it can sometimes be a little bit confusing as an admin as to what it's going to be for a student.